most stem cell treatments available today consist of the isolation of stem cells from a source, such as the umbilical cord, the bone marrow, the blood or fat tissue, and then the manipulation of these stem cells in the lab to increase their number, and finally their injection into the bloodstream or into a specific tissue. And such a procedure is done with the understanding, based on more than a decade of stem cell research, that adult stem cells have enormous regenerative and repair potential. But the one question that is never asked is, if adult stem cells have such regenerative and repair potential, and they already exist in our bone marrow and our blood, having been there since the day we were born, then what is their role in the body? What is the natural role of stem cells in the body? The past 20 years of research in the field of stem cell research has revealed that stem cells constitute the body's natural repair and renewal system. Anytime there is an injury or something is not working properly in the body, the affected tissue begins to release compounds that circulate in the bloodstream and, upon reaching the bone marrow, trigger the release of stem cells from the bone marrow. Within a few days following the injury, the number of stem cells in circulation increases anywhere between 3 to 10-fold. At the same time, the injured tissue begins to locally release another compound that attracts stem cells and makes them migrate out of the blood into that tissue. So as stem cells circulate in the bloodstream and reach the fine capillaries of the affected tissue, they migrate into the tissue through a process called diapedesis, and upon contact with cellular debris of that tissue, stem cells start to proliferate and then differentiate or transform into healthy new cells of that tissue. And this entire process constitutes the body's repair system. Every day of our lives, we release stem cells, and during the entire life of an individual, stem cells play a crucial role in the body's ability to repair and maintain optimal health. Hundreds of studies have investigated various aspects of this whole phenomenon, leading to two key conclusions. First, there is a direct link between the number of circulating stem cells and the body's ability to repair and maintain optimal health. In other words, more stem cells in circulation means that more stem cells are available to participate to the process of tissue repair. But this does not apply only to injuries. Every day of our lives, we lose cells, and these cells are replaced by stem cells. So every day, stem cells contribute to keeping the body functioning optimally. This is what is referred to as the body's renewal system. And this leads to the second conclusion. People with fewer stem cells are at greater risk of developing various kinds of health problems. Because with fewer stem cells, the natural process of day-to-day tissue renewal cannot take place optimally. In other words, drawing directly from numerous studies, people who have developed various types of degenerative health problems have, on average, a little less than half the number of stem cells found in healthy individuals. Therefore, one of the best strategies to help the body repair and maintain optimal health is to support every day of our lives the natural release of stem cells from the bone marrow, thereby increasing the number of circulating stem cells. Stemregen is the result of more than 15 years of research in the field of stem cell research. Stemregen is a blend of plants and natural compounds that have been documented to increase the number of circulating stem cells by up to 60% within hours of consumption. This equates to, on average, an additional 5 to 8 million stem cells in circulation, which are then available to participate to the natural process of tissue repair and renewal. Stemregen is today, without a doubt, the most potent stem cell enhancer available. Stemregen has been available on the marketplace for more than 2 years, and the stories and reports of efficacy are nothing short of spectacular and life-changing. we invite you to discover what Stemregen can do for you and your patients.